How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change your nozzle size in Superslicer. It's going to be extremely simple. First things first, open up the actual application. You then want to navigate through the printer settings. And there's two ways to find it, which is by using the search function. And here you could just type for the nozzle diameter. Now, if it did not show up right here, you could also go ahead and navigate through the extruder one. And on the first category, you have the name and size. So we have the nozzle diameter here. If it's locked, you cannot go ahead and edit this. So just make sure that it is unlocked. And then right after, we could edit this the way we want to. So for example, if you want to use something like a 0.8 millimeter nozzle diameter, you could simply do so. Let's go ahead and save this preset by clicking on the save function right here. And then I'm going to put 0.8 nozzle. Click OK. And then now we could switch between the normal preset and the preset that we have saved. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.